Welcome to Special Meals! Even a person who doesn't like snakegourd will eat these tasty pepper snakegourd rings. In a bowl, take 1 cup of gram flour, 1/4 cup red rice flour, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, required amount of salt, half a teaspoon freshly ground pepper, a pinch of asafoetida, and a pinch of baking soda. If you're adding chili powder to any food, you should add turmeric powder as well. Turmeric powder prevents any bad effects caused by the chili powder. Now, carefully add water little by little. Let's mix this well so there aren't any chunks. It should be a fine batter. We need our batter to be thick for our rings so that our rings will have a very good coating. Take a snake guard and cut it roundly so we get a circle. After cutting it, remove the seeds from it, like this. The batter should have a thick consistency as you can see here. Let's add a drop of the batter into the oil to check if it is hot enough. If the batter floats up immediately, it is ready. It is heated up. Now let's add the roundly chopped snake gourd into the batter and mix it in a way so the rings get a good coating. Let's drop the snake gourd one by one into the oil. The heat should be in a medium flame. When the one side is fried, flip the rings to fry the other side. If you are a beginner, you can use a fork to put the coated rings into the oil, so you don't have to be scared for oil splattering. Eating snake gourd rings made with pepper prevents cold, and you will definitely enjoy this warm yet crispy rings in the winter seasons. Try this recipe at home and comment on how it was. If you like this video, subscribe to Special Meals and click on the bell button to be updated with our latest videos.